Login failed on Swan Bitcoin App Fix. You open the Swan Bitcoin app, ready to buy your next set of sats, but the app hits you with login failed. Don't worry, it's a common issue, and most of the time it's something simple you can fix in just a few steps. First, check your internet connection. Swan Bitcoin requires a stable and secure network to verify your login. If you're on public Wi-Fi or have weak reception, switch to mobile data or a home network. Many login issues come down to unstable connections interrupting communication with Swan's servers. Next, make sure your app is up to date. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Swan Bitcoin, and tap Update if you see one available. Outdated app versions can lose sync with Swan's latest security systems. Now, re-enter your credentials manually. No autofill, no saved passwords. Autofill can store outdated info, especially if you've recently updated your password. If you're using two-factor authentication, check your device's clock. Swan Bitcoin uses time-based codes, and even a small mismatch in your phone's time can cause login failures. Set your date and time to automatic so your codes stay accurate. Still having problems? Clear your app cache. On Android, go to Settings, App, Swan Bitcoin Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This refreshes your connection and removes any temporary files that might be blocking access. Also, double-check that your account isn't locked. If you entered the wrong password too many times, Swan may temporarily restrict access for security reasons. Wait 10-15 minutes before trying again. And remember, sometimes the issue isn't with you. Swan Bitcoin occasionally performs server maintenance, which can temporarily block logins. So, if your Swan Bitcoin login fails, don't panic. It's almost always something quick to fix: a network reset, an app update, or a simple time correction. Once you've handled that, you'll be back stacking sats and growing your Bitcoin holdings in no time.